Hi, welcome to Raw Math. Today I'm doing a series of videos on solving different types of polynomials and rationals and such. And I don't even have directions on this. Solve. I think I left them out because this type of question just takes more space. So we have the square root of x minus 3 plus 1 equals the square root of x. And when you have square roots, the only way to solve is to square, because the inverse of a square root is a square. But the thing you have to remember is when you square a binomial, you cannot distribute a square in. Squares work for multiplication and division, not addition and subtraction. So you might have a plus b squared memorized, but I don't like falling back on that, especially with something as complicated as this. So what I'm going to do is take the square root of x minus 3 plus 1 times the square root of x minus 3 plus 1, and I am going to do distributive property with stacking of my like terms. So I'm going to distribute this x minus 3 into the next parenthesis. Square root of x minus 3 times the square root of x minus 3 is going to be the square root of x minus 3 squared. And for now, I'm going to write it like that. I'm not going to cancel the inverses just yet because I want you to see where everything goes. Square root of x minus 3 times 1 is plus the square root of x minus 3. 1 times the square root of x minus 3 is plus the square root of x minus 3, and 1 times 1 is 1. When I add down, I am going to have the square root and square, which are natural inverses, cancel, and I'm left with x minus 3. There are two of these, so plus 2 times the square root of x minus 3 plus 1. And now I'm going to bring this guy down. And those cancel, equals x. Okay, I am going to subtract x from both sides because I can. And I'm going to say minus 3 plus 1. They're on the same side of the equal sign, so I'm not going to add 3 to both sides because they're on the same side. Minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2, if you are curious. So I'm going to end up with 2 times the square root of x minus 3 minus 2 equals 0. So, bunch of stuff happened there. You might want to pause, look it over, make sure you followed all the steps. I'm going to add this 2 over. 2 times the square root of x minus 3 equals 2. And then, because this is times 2 and this is a 2, I'm going to divide by 2. So that I have the square root of x minus 3 equals 1. All right, I'm going to just... So now I have a square root. And when you have a square root, you have to square. So I'm going to square both sides. But this time on the left-hand side, I only have a single term. I don't have the binomial that I had on the original problem, just a single term. So this time, those can just cancel, leaving me with x minus 3 equaling 1. Then I can add 3 to both sides. And I have x equaling 4. Yay. I want to test my answer. You always test on these, always. Once you're squaring and squaring again, you have to test. So we have the square root of 4 minus 3 plus 1. Does this equal the square root of 4? This is 1. Square root of 1 plus 1. Does this equal 2? I am asking you, does 1 plus 1 equal 2? All right, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks.